the opening these. I don't know what they're called because I can't read yet.
You can't read yet? You're about to have a birthday. You just had a birthday party. How old are you turning?
5. But I
How
still
old? You're 5? You're going to be 5 in 2 days, huh? 3 days? 2 days. 3 days.
No, 2 days.
Today we're opening Amazing Capsule Creatures.
Yeah.
Farm animals.
I wanted to open them because they have all my favorite ones. We have the bunny, this one, the rooster, the pony.
A goose, a rooster, a horsey, a bull, a goat, a cow, a pig, a duck, a donkey, a turkey, and a sheep.
You want to see my favorites? This is my favorite. This one.
Which ones are your favorite? Tell them.
The bunny, the goose, the little rooster, and the horse, the cow, the donkey.
Oh, so all of them? Pretty much all of them.
And
Okay.
the ducky.
We've already got our bowls of warm water set up here. What? No, this water isn't to drink. We set up warm water and Daddy got it really hot. So
So I can't stick my hand in it?
no, you're not gonna stick your hand in it right now. It says warm water, so we put warm water in it.
Oh, that's really warm. I like it.
So we got 2 of them. So drop your capsules in.
Where's that?
I'm just saying we got 2 bowls of water. No, don't break it open. Just drop them in.
How do you get them apart? They're stuck. Dad, there's 3 stuck together.
That'll be okay. We put them in the water and now we wait on them to...
You watched a show of this before and it was a dinosaur one.
Soft foam creatures. I don't think I ever posted the dinosaur one. I'm going to have to post it. We've been very busy the past couple of weeks with your birthday and all kinds of stuff. So
I had fun at my party, but it wasn't my real birthday party.
it was your real birthday party.
No, it wasn't.
Yes. That was your real birthday party. It just wasn't on your birthday because your birthday is going to be in the middle of the week. So we had your birthday party on Saturday.
Guys, when
Do you want to show them your leftover cupcakes? We had to move them off the table.
They're really pretty. We ate most of them. Look at all
We
this.
did eat a lot of them, didn't we?
Look at
There's
all
a
this.
lot of sprinkles left in there.
Yeah.
Those sprinkles were kind of messy.
I'm going to eat one after the show.
Oh, you are?
Actually,
Probably after dinner.
yeah, I was going to say that. Now,
Okay, we had one come out. What's it look like?
a goose.
Let me see.
It's a goose. Look.
Oh, that's the goose. The goose.
Wait, I'm going to spread this out so we have one side to
We
dry.
got some more that are trying to come out.
So we have a side to dry our hands with and a side to put the animals on.
Oh, okay. That'll
It's a
work.
good idea, huh?
That's a pretty good idea. Another one come out.
Stuff.
Let's see. Is it the duck?
Yep.
Let me see. Ooh, the duck.
It's a fat
Quack, quack.
duck.
Quack, quack. Quack,
That's
quack.
a really fat duck.
It's a fat duck?
It still has goo on it.
Maybe it's very hungry. Ooh, do we get some more come out? What do we got now?
4. We got
4. I see 5, I think.
1,
Oh,
2.
4 still in the water. So we have the duck and the goose. What's the red one? The cow. And, ooh, that's a big old bunny, isn't it? That bunny's bigger than the cow. And we got the horse.
And the rooster.
And we got the rooster.
And
Okay, you want to take those out?
Yep.
Still waiting on a few, huh?
Yep. I like the bunny.
You like what?
The bunny.
The bunny. That's a big old bunny. Okay, did they all finally come out?
But look at some of them.
Yeah, some of them came out pretty good, and some of them didn't come out real good.
Most of them did good.
Yeah, most of them did good. The duck and the rabbit and the goose did really good. The rooster didn't come out very good, so. And neither did the goat or the donkey.
The donkey did the baddest.
The turkey's kind of ruffled up a little bit too, isn't it? Yeah.
This one did the baddest.
Yeah, but some of them came out good. Amazing Capsule Creatures. I think we got these. Where did we get these? We got these at Best Buy for like $1 or $2, didn't we?
No, Books A Million.
Oh, Books A Million? That's right, Books A Million. Super fun for a couple of dollars, huh?
Silly Dad.
Silly Daddy. Alright guys, thanks for watching our show.
If you liked our show, click a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.